Welcome to Rapid, from Autumnsoft. How to install and license Rapid. Rapid 4.9 and later is supported on all versions of Microsoft Windows. A free trial of Rapid can be downloaded from Autumnsoft's website. Once you have downloaded Rapid, an executable file will be available for installation. Follow the instructions on the installation wizard. Select the default options for a standard installation. Click Finish to complete the installation. The README file will contain information about the current Rapid release. Once the installation is complete, the user will see the different license options in the Rapid configuration tool. When the license dialog appears, select the type of license to be installed, either trial or full. Enter the product key, received by email. Enter the email address provided for license request. Click on Request License to obtain and install the license. Watch the next video, where we will show how to connect, collect and query data, by creating and using an OPC Data Access Data Adapter node.